Thinking about getting veneers? Let's break down everything you need to know about this elective and often cosmetic dental procedure. What are veneers? Veneers only cover the front side of your teeth and slightly wrap over the edges. Some people compare veneers to artificial fingernails because 1. Both require prep work before placement. 2. They go over the real thing but completely transform the way it looks. How are veneers installed? Here's how the process works. 1. A thin layer of your tooth is buffed away to make space for the veneer. Your dentist will tailor everything to your preferences, which you would have discussed during your consultation. 2. The veneer is carefully prepped and customized to match your smile goals. 3. The veneer is cemented or bonded onto your tooth. A curing light is often used to secure it in place permanently. Why choose veneers? Veneers are amazing because they can transform your entire smile style all at once. Unlike treatments that address one tooth at a time, they can sometimes even replace the need for whitening or braces, depending on your situation. Types of veneers. There are 3 main types of veneers, and each one has its own process and cost. 1. Porcelain veneers. 2. Composite veneers. 3. No prep veneers. Your dentist will help you decide which type suits your smile and budget best. You know what? Veneers are a fantastic option for a stunning smile makeover. But remember, every mouth is unique. You can visit Annapolis Dental Center website to find out more about veneer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.